I'm Phil Saris, and I'm here with Sakrete on this how to tackle stone veneer mortar. Now, stone veneer mortar is a cool product. Its versatility is nearly limitless. In today's application, we're using it as a dry stack method. And what dry stack means is that we're going to be stacking these stones in an effort to actually not see the mortar. All of the mortar will be contained behind the stones when it attaches to this vertical surface. What we're beginning with is a surface that has been bonded with a surface bonding cement. Now, if you want more information on the surface bonding cement, check out Sakrete's How to Tackle Surface Bonding Cement. But just note that this is the properly prepared surface. We've got notches in it that are really going to grip and grab to this stone veneer mortar. One thing that's critical that we definitely want to do is we want to make sure to keep the surface a little bit moist and damp as we're working with it. If we don't, it's actually going to wick out or pull out the moisture that's in this stone veneer mortar. The average drying time for the mortar is between 6 and 8 hours. After that, you're really not going to be able to move it. You're going to want to use one 80-pound bag for every 5 to 7 quarts of water. You're going to begin by mixing that product. You don't want to get it too wet or the product is going to lose some of its stability. So you want to make sure to stick within the correct water requirements. An 80-pound bag is a little bit big to put in a 5-gallon bucket. So if you need to, you can mix half of the bag with half of the water requirement. Once the product is mixed, you're going to moisten or dampen this surface just lightly. Then you're going to begin to apply these stones. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to do a technique called buttering. And it's just like it sounds. If this was a piece of bread, you can put butter on it just like that. Being a stone, we're going to take that stone veneer mortar and we're going to butter it on. I'm going to apply it at an angle around all the sides, and then we're going to attach it to the surface. What we want to do is begin at the bottom and work our way up. By applying the stone at the bottom, it gives us a continuous surface to support the subsequent layers of stone that are going to keep going up. My name is Phil, and this has been Sakrete's How to Tackle Stone Veneer Mortar. Consider this project tackled.